First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez.
Welcome back on this Thursday morning. A First Alert Weather Day will be in effect for some counties tomorrow. Here are the counties. Those include Keweenaw, Alger, Luce, and Schoolcraft counties. Why? Well, there's going to be a storm system that rolls in, and it's going to bring in wet, heavy snow and some strong winds. Most of us going to tap into that wet, heavy snow, but those counties are currently under winter storm watches. So there will likely be the potential that they get upgraded to winter storm warnings for tomorrow. Regardless, though, we do have some big travel impacts. We are expecting accumulating snow and poor visibility as winds ramp up tomorrow throughout the daytime hours. The time period, 1 a.m. tomorrow morning through 11 p.m. That's how long that First Alert Weather Day will be in effect for. And it's for these highlighted counties right here. They're under winter storm watches throughout that time period, starting 1 a.m. tomorrow all the way through basically midnight tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Here are the snowfall amounts. We're expecting easily 4 to 6 inches of snow across the northern half of the UP. The eastern UP, the higher elevations of Baraga, western Marquette County, as well as the Keweenaw will likely exceed 7 to near 9 inches of snow. Marquette County and the city of Marquette ranges of 4 to 6 inches. Areas towards the south, not super impressive. A couple of inches of snow. It'll likely mix in with some rain at times tomorrow afternoon for those folks along the Wisconsin state line. Here's the timeline. Big swath of snow tomorrow morning, starting off in the mid to upper 20s. And then right around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, that first swath pushes out. We'll likely have a little rain and snow mixture across the southern counties around this time period, midday, early afternoon. Why? Well, look at the numbers on this map. Upper 30s and maybe even a few low 40s. So that's going to result in that more of a liquid mix for those southern areas, but wet snow still across the northern spots tomorrow afternoon, ramping up late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening with a transition to lake effect. Saturday morning, we're done, and then the cold air sets in. It's also going to be windy at times. We're expecting winds tomorrow to gust around 30 to near 35 miles per hour, in some areas around 40 miles per hour. That's going to cause blowing snow. So this means you're going to have to take some extra time to get to your destination. First alerting you to delays on roadways tomorrow, as that wet, heavy snow will be difficult to travel in and it will be accumulating. Today, expecting a little mix. Very spotty to scattered, temperatures above normal into the 30s. Already seeing a little bit of that mix this morning. That's going to continue to push east. Not super impressive for today's very light snow, but we'll see a few more scattered snow showers along our northwest wind belts as we head through this afternoon. Minimal amounts. This is for today alone. Half an inch to isolated amounts in the higher elevations, pushing about an inch. Low to mid 30s in the north today, upper 30s to around 40 degrees across the south. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, First Alert Weather Day for tomorrow for those counties I've already mentioned, as that storm system brings in a lot of that wet, heavy snow and some strong winds. Saturday and Sunday, though, we get to play outdoors in the snow that we're getting tomorrow.